everyone, welcome back to Kuki Decor. Before we jump in, quick question for you. What's your favorite type of home decor? Modern, rustic, boho, or something totally unique? Drop it in the comments below, I'd love to know your style. Today, we're exploring something truly special, wooden art pieces. There's just something about wood that feels warm, natural, and full of character, right? Whether it's a hand-carved wall piece, a sleek wooden sculpture, or even a reclaimed wood centerpiece, wood brings a timeless charm that other materials just can't match. As we go through this video, I want you to think about which of these wooden art ideas speaks to you. Could you see it hanging in your living room? Maybe styled on a shelf? Or turned into a DIY weekend project? Let me know as we go. I read every comment and love hearing your ideas. We'll be looking at a variety of styles today, from minimal and modern to earthy and rustic, so there's something here for every design lover. And if you spot a piece you absolutely love, take a screenshot and share it with me on Instagram at Kuki Decor. I might even feature your pics in a future video. If you're ready to get inspired and bring a little more natural beauty into your home, grab a cozy seat, hit that like button to support the channel, and let's dive into the amazing world of wooden art. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, there's so much more decor magic coming your way. Alright, let's get into it. Wooden art pieces have long captivated the imagination of craftsmen, artists, and admirers across cultures and generations, owing to the natural beauty, versatility, and warmth of wood as a medium. These works, ranging from intricately carved figurines to grand wall installations and sculptural masterpieces, resonate with a timeless appeal that bridges both traditional heritage and contemporary innovation. The organic texture, grain patterns, and unique imperfections in each type of wood contribute to the individuality of every piece, making wooden art not merely decorative but also deeply expressive and symbolic. Whether handcrafted or machine-aided, wooden art embodies an enduring dialogue between human creativity and nature's raw elegance. Historically, wood has been used in art and culture for millennia, from the totem poles of indigenous tribes in North America and the religious sculptures of medieval Europe to the elaborate wooden panels of East Asian architecture and the vibrant masks of African heritage. Each culture used the wood native to its region: oak, teak, cedar, pine, mahogany, walnut, and more, imbuing their art with a sense of place and cultural identity. These historical pieces were not just decorative but also served functional, spiritual, or ceremonial purposes, illustrating the deep connection between wood and human life. In the modern era, wooden art has found a renewed purpose, evolving from its conventional forms into innovative expressions that reflect minimalism, abstract interpretation, and eco-conscious aesthetics. Contemporary artists now experiment with reclaimed wood, driftwood, and sustainably harvested lumber, placing environmental stewardship at the forefront of artistic creation. This ethical approach adds layers of meaning to wooden art pieces, as each item becomes a symbol of both craftsmanship and conservation. Sculptures made from salvaged barn wood, for instance, often tell stories of forgotten times, blending rustic nostalgia with refined modern shapes. Similarly, geometric wall art made from laser-cut wood panels can harmonize perfectly with both industrial and bohemian interior styles, showing how adaptable wooden art has become. Furniture and decor items, such as carved headboards, wooden clocks, mosaic wall hangings, and even functional sculptures like bookends and light fixtures, bring character and personality to living spaces while also acting as focal points of artistic intent. The tactile quality of wood makes it especially appealing in the home, offering warmth and earthiness that other materials cannot easily replicate. Techniques used in creating wooden art pieces vary widely, depending on the intended style, function, and level of detail. Traditional carving, often done by hand with chisels and mallets, requires great skill and patience, resulting in intricate patterns, lifelike figures, and ornate motifs. In contrast, pyrography, or woodbinning, adds illustrative details through the application of controlled heat, allowing for detailed portraits, landscapes, and lettering to emerge from the wood's surface. Wood turning, which involves shaping wood on a lathe, is popular for creating symmetrical forms like bowls, spindles, and abstract shapes. Then there's marquetry and inlay, where different types and shades of wood veneer are cut and assembled like a puzzle to create images, patterns, or scenes, often resembling paintings in their intricacy. In addition to these traditional techniques, modern tools such as CNC routers, laser cutters, and digital modeling software have expanded what is possible with wood, enabling artists to design and execute complex and precise works at scales and forms that were once unimaginable. These innovations have opened doors to architectural wooden art installations, kinetic sculptures, and even mixed media artworks that incorporate resin, metal, glass, and light into wooden frameworks. One of the most compelling aspects of wooden art pieces is their tactile and sensory richness. The feeling of polished oak, the aroma of cedar, the subtle sheen of finished walnut, all these qualities invite engagement and interaction. Unlike mass-produced decor items made of plastic or synthetic composites, wooden art ages with grace, developing patinas, deepening hues, and even surface cracks that enhance its authenticity. This aging process makes each piece feel alive, evolving over time and echoing the natural world from which it came. Artists often intentionally leave parts of their work rough or unpolished to highlight the contrast between nature's unpredictability and human refinement, blurring the line between raw material and refined art. This embrace of imperfection, often seen in the Japanese aesthetic of wabi-sabi, is particularly well suited to wood, which carries the memory of the tree it once was, its growth rings, knots, and scars telling silent stories of weather, age, and resilience. These characteristics make wooden art pieces not just objects to look at but artifacts to be experienced and cherished. Wooden art also plays a crucial role in interior design and home styling, especially as more people seek to create spaces that are not only beautiful but also grounding and harmonious. Wooden wall panels, for example, can transform a sterile room into a warm sanctuary, while large abstract wooden sculptures can serve as visual anchors in spacious living areas. Custom signage, typographic wall hangings, and 3D wall art add a personalized touch to homes, offices, cafes, and retail spaces. Even small wooden accents, like carved coasters, miniature animal figurines, or hand-painted wooden trays, can elevate the aesthetic of a space by introducing organic texture and artisanal charm. Designers and homeowners alike appreciate how wooden art pieces integrate seamlessly with both modern and rustic themes, Scandinavian minimalism, mid-century modern sensibilities, and even tropical and coastal decor. Wood's ability to absorb stain, paint, or polish also allows for a vast range of color tones and finishes, from bleached blonde to rich espresso or even vibrant hues achieved with modern dyes, giving artists and decorators enormous creative freedom. And that wraps up our journey through the world of wooden decor design ideas. I hope you're feeling as inspired as I am. Now it's your turn. Which design idea stood out to you the most? Was it the rustic wall art, the sculptural centerpiece, or maybe one of those clever reclaimed wood accents? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what caught your eye and how you'd use it in your own space. If you're already imagining a wooden art piece in your home, snap a pic of your current setup and tag me on Instagram at Kuki Decor. I'd love to see your space and share some ideas. And hey, if today's video sparked any DIY inspiration, let me know that too. Maybe we can turn your idea into a future video. Remember, wooden decor doesn't just bring warmth and texture, it brings story, soul, and natural beauty into your home. Whether you're working with a cozy corner or a spacious living room, there's always a way to let wood do the talking. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, it really helps support the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on fresh decor ideas, styling tips, and creative inspiration. Thanks so much for spending time with me here on Kuki Decor. I've got plenty more style and design content coming your way. Until next time, keep creating, keep decorating, and most of all, make your space feel like home. See you in the next video.